I have this beautiful fresh kale, organic kales today, and I'm gonna make some sauteed bacon, have some smoked bacon. So this is actually from York, PA, Central PA. Got this, they have a really good deal on this. If you get something, there's a one can that basically the bacon bit, but you save so much money buying that, and that's what I did. We're gonna make sure that we crisp this bacon up. Kale. And we're gonna put some chopped shallot on there. Add that nice flavor. See? Do a little shaking. Since the bacon's already had a lot of salt in it, we just add a little bit of pink salt, not too much. And then put a little bit of honey to sweeten it out. Okay. We're going to put a little bit of that toasted sesame oil. So basically we are seasoning them right now before we add in the kale, because the kale is gonna doesn't take long. A little bit of the pepper. Give it a little bit of a stir. Go ahead and put our kale in. This is how you add the flavor to your vegetable. If you don't like vegetable, but anything with bacon, just always add a little bit extra flavor. You know, it always tastes good. So from this point, you just mix it around, let it reduce. We're going to cover them for a bit to get that moisture up and steaming our vegetable. And I see you in a bit. For about a minute or two, you just take it out and it's already reduced and you're ready to go. And that's going to be our sauteed kale with smoked bacon.